Welcome to Angela's Hangout. Today I'm participating in a collaboration which is being hosted by myself and Bella with Bellody Designs. So if you are not familiar with her channel, she does amazing work. She's a shopaholic just like us, and she had her house is just absolutely stunning. Her decor is amazing, and look, we have a guest today. My cousin is here, and we are going to be treating ourselves to some Netflix and some drinks tonight because we are going to be doing a fall Barcart and a cocktail collaboration. This is in collaboration with Bellody. So we are going to be celebrating with our little treats and snacks and drinks. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you what my Barcart looks like, as well as make you a pretty little mocktail as well as a cocktail.
Okay, first I'm going to go ahead and get started with our little snack, which is super easy. It's just a little s'more. So basically I'm just going to break up all of our little graham crackers and put those on the bottom. If you want to, you can add peanut butter, but I'm just going to stick to the original old s'more. So break those up, and then I'm going to go ahead and get our chocolate in there because, oh my goodness, what is a s'more without chocolate? So I'm just going to kind of evenly try and disperse those evenly as possible and not put more on mine than hers because yeah, I really like chocolate. So anyway, then I'm going to go ahead and open up the marshmallow bag, and I'm going to take out just a couple and cut them in half and just kind of put those on top. So that's like about 6 of my little ramekins, and that's it. That's all you have to do for that. It's so super simple and easy. So you put it in a 350 oven. It bakes for about 10 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. That's it. Okay, so this is my mocktail. Sadly, I lost a lot of footage right here, but that's okay. I can explain it. So basically all I did was take my my saucepan, or actually it's kind of a quart pan, 2-quart pan, and I just added about 4 cups of apple juice. I sliced up some oranges, some apples, and I added in a little bit of nutmeg, some cloves, and some cinnamon sticks, and that's basically it. I had it come to a boil, and then as soon as it boiled, then I simmered it for about 20 minutes. And now I'm going to make a pumpkin pie cocktail. Oh my goodness, these are so delicious. So I'm just going to take my shaker, add a little bit of ice to it, and it's, oh my goodness, it's so yummy. So some pumpkin puree, a little bit of allspice, and about a shot of Kahlua, and a shot of vodka. And that's pretty much all the alcohol that's in there. So just a shot of each, that's all you need. And you can use Bailey's if you like. I like Bailey's too. That tastes really good with Bailey's. And I'm just going to add a little bit of milk, probably about a 1/3 of a cup of milk to it, and I'm just going to shake it all about. Woohoo! I love shaking it all about. And so here I'm just going to, open it up, grab my little cup, and fill it up. Oh my goodness, look how nice and frosty and chilly it is. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more ice to it because I like it nice and cold. On the rocks, I guess is what you call it. And that's pretty much it. I like to garnish it with just a little bit more allspice as well as some whipped cream. And if you want to, you can add a cinnamon stick in there, and it is delicious. Okay, well here's my whole Barcart. So here we have our wonderful drink that we just made, as well as this is our cocktail, and our mocktail is in the back. So I just use Smirnoff and Kahlua. There is our mocktail. There's our puree, and allspice, my little ice bucket, some straws, and my little fall pumpkin syrup. So if you wanted to, you could add some alcohol to your mocktail to make it, a cocktail. There's a couple glasses down here, as well as some pumpkins. I'm trying to keep in the theme with my black, white, and pink. And so here is the whole thing. Of course, gotta have walnuts. I love walnuts. And they are just absolutely, I just think they're so delicious. I just love those things. So here is everything. And our little dessert right there on the very top. So I hope you enjoyed our little collaboration together. Thank you so much, Bella, for doing this with me. I had so much fun, and I cannot wait to go pull out my Netflix movie, eat these yummy desserts, and go have my little drink. Oh my goodness, look how delicious that looks.
Okay, so this is my cousin Holly.
Hello.
And she is here. We're going to enjoy Netflix night, and we're going to try our mocktail, cocktail, and our little dessert. So, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
I'm going to try the cocktail.
I'm going to go for the mocktail. Cheers. Oh, so delicious. Thank you, Angie.
This is good. You try.
Okay.
We're cousins. We can do this.
Oh, wow.
Mm-hmm.
That's delicious. I love it.
That is so good.
I know, right? Reminds me of apple cider at Grandma's. All right, thank you. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. This looks delicious.
It's all sticky. Mm-hmm.
Mmm. Very good.
Now
Thank
that
you.
is a s'more.
Mm-hmm.
Now it is time to turn on our Netflix. Find a good movie to watch. What are we gonna watch tonight? Something creepy?
Yeah, a creepy show tonight.
I don't know.
Very
It's
good.
bedtime now.
I know. Very good.
We should probably watch a cartoon.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
So, anyway, thank you so much for watching our channel.
Thank you.
And we'll see.